Introducing the AGM MASETCH High-Speed Series Tram Dual Track Set, the ultimate slot car racing experience for kids and adults alike. Get ready to feel the power and speed of the Ho scale 1 to 60 for slot car racing on our track, reaching scale speeds of about 370 miles per hour. Our cars are faster compared to any similar product on the market, delivering the coolest racing experience ever. Featuring electric-powered slot car racing, our set includes for delicately licensed cars with LED headlights and strong magnetic bases. These cars run smoothly and super fast, providing an exhilarating race every time. To ensure the cars stay on the track better, we've enhanced the magnetism, but remember to control the speed, especially when turning. For stability and durability, our set utilizes a power adapter instead of a battery box, ensuring the cars run smoothly and the player can enjoy endless hours of racing. Our easy build and disassemble track design makes setup a breeze. With many combinations to install, including loops for added excitement, children will have endless fun exploring different racing configurations. Made of high-quality and environmentally friendly ABS plastic materials, our set is safe and non-toxic, perfect for kids of all ages. Whether it's Easter, Christmas, Halloween, or any other special occasion, our track set makes the perfect gift for children. It's also an ideal race car toy for kids aged 4 to 12 years old. With a reasonable space requirement of 16,513,032 centimeters, our track set is suitable for most play areas. So, get ready to race and experience the thrill of slot car racing with the AGM MASETCH High-Speed Series Tram Dual Track Set. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you.